because once we apply the operation, we don't need to keep the parentheses anymore. Okay, so 6 times x is a 6x. 6 times -2 is a -12. -3 times x is a -3x. -3 times 1 is a -3. Okay, and that's going to equal 4 times 3 is going to be a +12, and 4 times 2 is going to be a +8. Again, notice it's going to be a 20. All right, so now let's just go and combine our like terms. Sometimes we can just rearrange things, right? Put the x's next to the x's, put the numbers next to the numbers. A lot of times that just makes things a little bit easier to go ahead and combine. Then on the right-hand side, though, we can definitely add those together. That's a 12 and an 8, which is going to be 20. 6x minus 3x is going to be a 3x. And if you owe me $12 and you borrow $3 more, you now owe me $15. And that equals 20. Okay, so now I will add a 15. And then I get a 3x equals a 35 and divide by a 3. And x equals a 35 over 3. That is how I would like the answer to be written. However, you could go ahead and write it as a mixed number, right? So you could say how many times does 3 go into 35? And you could say that to be 10, it would be 11, and almost 12. But you could say 11 and 2/3, right? If you wanted to write that as a mixed number. I don't know why you'd want to, but sometimes for graphing, writing mixed numbers is going to be helpful.